Hey tech lovers, today we're doing a mega roundup of 40 genius smart gadgets that'll upgrade your life. No fluff, just pure innovation you can grab on Amazon today. From hidden gems to must-have problem solvers, we're breaking down exactly why these picks are worth your time, and yes, every link is waiting in the description. Let's jump in. Starting with the smart rideable suitcase, this game-changing luggage makes traveling through airports effortless. Instead of dragging a heavy bag, you can ride it like a scooter, making long walks between terminals a thing of the past. With an intuitive control system and a sturdy yet lightweight build, it's both practical and fun. If you love efficiency and want to make travel smoother, this is a must-have. For those who appreciate multifunctional furniture, the smart side table with built-in tech is an impressive upgrade. More than just a place to rest your phone, this sleek piece features a cooling drawer to keep drinks and skincare chilled, wireless charging, multiple power outlets, and even Bluetooth speakers for immersive sound. LED lighting adds an extra touch, making it perfect as a nightstand or a modern side table in any living space. Bringing creativity into the kitchen, the handheld food printer lets you print directly onto coffee foam, cookies, and desserts. Whether personalizing a latte with a fun message or decorating treats for a special occasion, this compact device makes food presentation effortless. It connects via Bluetooth, allowing for custom designs with precise detail, making it a great tool for home use, bakeries, or cafes. For those who enjoy outdoor fun, the next-gen water blaster is a step above traditional water guns. Designed for precision and power, it delivers strong bursts of water with every shot, ensuring consistent pressure without the need for manual pumping. An automated refill system keeps you in the action without interruptions, making it perfect for competitive water battles with friends and family. Next up, for a workspace upgrade, the Monitor Light Bar offers a sleek and space-saving solution. Mounted easily on top of your screen, it provides focused lighting without causing glare, reducing eye strain during long hours of work or gaming. A wireless remote allows for easy adjustments to brightness and color temperature, creating the perfect setup for any environment. Coming up next with the Mini Smart Projector, this compact device is perfect for home theaters, outdoor movie nights, or even presentations on the go. Despite its small size, it delivers stunning visuals with laser technology, crisp resolution, and built-in streaming capabilities. With a long-lasting battery and high-quality sound, it transforms any surface into a cinematic experience, making it an essential companion for entertainment lovers. For a futuristic way to keep windows spotless, the robotic window cleaner does the job effortlessly. Using powerful suction and intelligent navigation, it glides across glass surfaces, ensuring a streak-free finish with minimal effort. Whether you have large windows, glass doors, or tiled walls, this device handles the task efficiently, making it ideal for modern homes and offices. The remote control function adds extra convenience, allowing you to sit back while it takes care of the cleaning. Adding an artistic and interactive touch to any space, the connected whiteboard brings sketches, notes, and designs to life. Unlike a regular dry erase board, this device physically draws using a real pen, creating an ever-changing gallery of art reminders and messages. Whether displaying motivational quotes, turning doodles into art, or automating to-do lists, it adds personality and functionality to walls in a way that feels both high-tech and nostalgic. For those who love personalized lighting, the smart neon rope lights offer endless customization. With vibrant colors, flexible design, and smart assistant compatibility, they create the perfect mood for any setting. Whether framing a gaming setup, adding ambiance to a bedroom, or designing a custom wall display, these lights adapt to your style with ease. The soft material makes installation flexible, allowing for intricate designs and smooth curves. Bringing motion into home decor, the kinetic wall art is a mesmerizing piece that moves in soothing patterns when wound up. Without needing batteries or electricity, it creates a relaxing visual effect that adds elegance and calm to any space. Whether in a living room, office, or bedroom, this handcrafted wooden piece is a blend of engineering and artistry, making it a standout addition to modern interiors. Moving on with the wireless mic system, this setup is perfect for creators, interviewers, and professionals who need high-quality audio on the go. Designed for two-person recording, it features a sleek touchscreen interface and customizable transmitters that ensure seamless sound capture. With built-in recording capabilities and a reliable connection, it's an essential tool for content creators, podcasters, and anyone looking to elevate their audio game. For those who love digital art and pixel displays, the Wi-Fi Pixel Cloud Frame offers endless customization. Featuring a vibrant 64 by 64 LED panel, it can display everything from animated designs and gaming-inspired visuals to real-time social media metrics. Controlled via an app, it's an eye-catching addition to gaming rooms, offices, or any space that could use a little extra personality. Whether tracking followers or creating a personalized digital art display, this piece is as functional as it is fun. Keeping your workspace organized is effortless with the desk pad and organizer set. More than just a mouse pad, this multifunctional setup includes magnetic storage for pens, phones, tablets, and even a cup holder. Designed to keep clutter at bay, it transforms the desk into a clean, efficient workspace while adding a modern touch. With cable management built in, it's perfect for home offices, gaming setups, or students who need a structured and stylish workspace. For those who appreciate classic yet functional lighting, the collapsible candle lantern brings a warm and nostalgic feel to any setting. Compact and durable, it features a 9-hour candle housed in a protective frame, making it perfect for camping, emergencies, or adding a cozy glow to an outdoor space. Paired with a fleece storage bag, it's easy to carry and store, blending vintage charm with modern practicality. Maximizing space and convenience, the clip-on bedside shelf is a game changer for those who need extra storage without the bulk of a full nightstand. Designed for bunk beds, dorm rooms, or small living spaces, it easily attaches to the bed frame, offering a sturdy surface for books, phones, or drinks. A built-in cable catch keeps chargers and cords organized, making it an essential upgrade for anyone looking to simplify their bedside setup. Next up, we have these solar-powered pathway lights. These flickering flame torches add a warm and inviting ambiance to any outdoor space. Designed with 99 LEDs for a realistic flame effect, they provide a soft, mesmerizing glow without the hassle of wiring or batteries. Standing at 43 inches tall and built to withstand various weather conditions, these lights are perfect for illuminating gardens, patios, and walkways while being completely energy efficient. For plant lovers looking for an interactive twist, the Smart Flower Pot brings artificial intelligence to indoor gardening. Equipped with multiple sensors and AI chips, it monitors soil moisture, light, and temperature, ensuring plants get the care they need. What sets it apart is its ability to display expressions, reacting to the environment and creating a fun, engaging way to nurture houseplants. It's a perfect conversation piece for any living room, blending technology with nature in a seamless way. When it comes to personal security, the portable door lock and alarm set offers a simple yet effective way to feel safe wherever you go. The set includes a doorstop alarm that activates with pressure and a secondary lock that adds an extra layer of protection. Ideal for travelers, hotel stays, and apartment living, it provides quick installation and peace of mind without the need for permanent modifications. Compact and easy to carry, this set is a must-have for anyone prioritizing safety while on the move. For music lovers, the mini magnetic Bluetooth speaker is a powerful yet compact audio solution. Designed to support MagSafe, it attaches securely to iPhones and other magnetic surfaces, making it easy to mount in various places, whether on a wall, a golf cart, or car dashboard. Despite its small size, it delivers clear, balanced sound and allows for true wireless pairing for a more immersive listening experience. Its versatility makes it a great companion for on-the-go entertainment, whether at home or outdoors. For those who want to enhance their driving experience, the solar-powered car air freshener combines fragrance with innovation. Using solar energy to rotate a stylish, decorative design, it slowly releases a fresh scent, keeping the car interior smelling great without the need for plugs or batteries. Its auto-rotating feature adds a sleek, futuristic touch to any dashboard, making it a functional and aesthetic upgrade for any vehicle. Here we have a 360-degree video conference camera. This all-in-one meeting solution makes virtual collaboration effortless. Featuring 4K capture and AI-powered voice, face, and figure tracking, it ensures that everyone in the room is seen and heard with clarity. Equipped with 8 noise-canceling microphones and a powerful hi-fi speaker, it creates an immersive conference experience. Whether for business meetings or virtual get-togethers, it delivers professional quality audio and video with a simple plug-and-play setup. For those who constantly misplace their keys, the Smart Key Tracker offers a compact and stylish solution. Designed to integrate seamlessly with Apple's Find My app, this key organizer not only keeps keys neatly stored, but also makes them easily trackable if lost. With an LED flashlight for added convenience, it's a must-have for anyone looking to keep their essentials in check without the daily stress of misplaced keys. Transforming home and office environments, the colorful flame aroma diffuser combines a humidifier with an essential oil diffuser, creating a calming atmosphere. Featuring an upgraded 7-color flame effect, it adds a cozy, decorative touch to any space while releasing refreshing mist. Its noiseless operation and auto-off protection make it a perfect companion for relaxation, whether during work, yoga, or sleep. For colder days, the 3-in-1 rechargeable hand warmers offer a practical yet multifunctional design. With a powerful 10,000 milliampere battery, these compact hand warmers provide up to 360-degree heating, ensuring warmth for long hours. In addition to keeping hands toasty, they double as a power bank to charge devices and even feature a built-in flashlight, making them a great companion for camping, hiking, or simply battling winter chills. And for a bit of fun, the remote-controlled alligator head is an amusing and unexpected addition to any lake or pool. Designed as a floating crocodile decoy, this RC prank toy moves realistically across the water, making it a hilarious way to surprise friends and family. With a rechargeable battery and responsive controls, it provides hours of entertainment, whether used as a playful trick or simply as a unique decoration. Continuing with productivity, the Pomodoro Timer Cube is an excellent tool for managing focus and time. With a simple flip-based design, it allows users to choose preset timers, ranging from 3 to 30 minutes, or customize their own countdown. Features like pause and resume, mute options, and adjustable sound alerts make it ideal for work, studying, or anyone looking to stay on task without constantly checking the clock. Whether you're managing ADHD, tackling projects, or improving time management, this cube helps break tasks into manageable intervals for maximum efficiency. For tech enthusiasts and learners, the coding robot ball makes programming accessible and fun for all ages. Whether using simple drag-and-drop commands, block coding, or advanced JavaScript programming, this robot offers a hands-on way to develop problem-solving skills and creativity. With programmable sensors, an LED matrix for custom displays, and a durable waterproof design, it's built for experimentation. Whether a beginner or an advanced coder, it provides an engaging way to explore robotics, STEM learning, and interactive play. When it comes to outdoor comfort, the lightweight folding chair offers a compact yet sturdy solution. Designed for portability, it folds down to the size of a water bottle while supporting up to 300 pounds. Perfect for camping, concerts, or any outdoor adventure, it sets up in seconds and provides a surprisingly comfortable seat despite its small size. With its durable build and easy-to-carry design, it's a must-have for anyone who enjoys being on the go without sacrificing comfort. For indoor relaxation, the oscillating standing fan is an excellent choice for staying cool and comfortable. With 120-degree oscillation, a quiet DC motor, and multiple speed settings, it delivers powerful airflow without disturbing sleep or work. Adjustable height and vertical tilt provide flexibility for directing airflow where it's needed most. The whisper-quiet operation combined with an 8-hour timer makes it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any space where a refreshing breeze is needed without noise interference. And for coffee lovers who appreciate unique designs, the Goat Horns coffee mug is a stylish and practical way to enjoy a morning brew. Designed with a sleek, curved shape reminiscent of goat horns, this vacuum-sealed travel cup keeps beverages hot or cold for extended periods. Its included rope handle allows for easy carrying, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Whether for home, work, or travel, it adds an extra touch of personality to every sip. Next up, we have a simple yet essential tool. The keychain case with reading glasses is perfect for anyone who needs quick access to reading glasses without carrying a bulky case. Compact and lightweight, it easily attaches to keys, bags, or pockets, ensuring glasses are always within reach. The rectangular readers are designed for comfort and clarity, making them an excellent choice for those on the go who need a reliable and ultra-portable vision solution. For an immersive lighting experience, the Aurora projector transforms any space with stunning visual effects. Featuring 33 different light patterns, it creates a mesmerizing nebula effect, perfect for bedrooms, relaxation, or setting the mood for gatherings. With built-in white noise, Bluetooth speakers, and remote control, it doubles as a nightlight and ambient sound machine, enhancing sleep and relaxation while adding a touch of cosmic beauty to any room. When it comes to smart home integration, the smart display provides a compact yet powerful way to interact with Alexa. With clearer sound and double the bass of its previous model, it's ideal for watching videos, checking the weather, setting reminders, or making video calls. Its sleek design makes it a perfect addition to a bedside table, kitchen counter, or office desk, offering hands-free assistance and entertainment in one device. For those who prefer their smart assistants on the move, the smart glasses offer a seamless way to stay connected. Designed with a stylish rectangular frame, they feature built-in Alexa functionality, allowing for hands-free calls, notifications, music control, and more. With blue light filtering lenses, they also help reduce eye strain, making them a great option for everyday wear, whether working, commuting, or simply staying connected without pulling out a phone. And for those braving cold weather, the thermal phone case is an essential winter accessory. Designed to extend battery life up to 3 times in freezing conditions, it helps prevent phones from shutting down due to extreme temperatures. Snowproof, water-resistant, and impact-resistant, it's a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, skiers, snowboarders, or anyone needing to keep their phone protected and functional in harsh weather. Bringing convenience to everyday tech, the 3-in-1 wireless charging station is an all-in-one solution for charging multiple Apple devices simultaneously. Designed for efficiency, it delivers 15-watt fast charging and comes with a 20-watt adapter, ensuring quick power-ups for iPhones, Apple Watches, and AirPods. The sleek and compact stand keeps devices organized while minimizing clutter, making it a great addition to any nightstand or workspace. For power on the go, the compact portable charger is a must-have. With a 5,500 mAh battery capacity and 22.5-watt fast charging, it provides quick and reliable energy for smartphones and other USB-C devices. Its lightweight and next-gen design make it easy to carry, ensuring users stay connected without the bulk of traditional power banks. Whether commuting, traveling, or running daily errands, it's a reliable backup for keeping devices powered throughout the day. For precision and efficiency, the digital scale ruler is a game-changer in measurement tools. With an impressive 0.004-inch accuracy, it features 93 built-in imperial and metric scales, making it an essential tool for architects, engineers, and designers. Its smart functionality allows users to customize scales for various projects, ensuring exact measurements every time. Whether drafting blueprints or working on creative designs, this ruler brings a new level of precision to any workspace. Keeping everyday essentials neatly arranged, the pocket organizer pouch is designed for carrying multi-tools, small gear, and everyday necessities. With 7 well-structured pockets, it offers a durable and compact way to store items like flashlights, pocket knives, pens, and other EDC essentials. Built for convenience, this rugged pouch keeps everything in place, making it perfect for those who value organization, whether for work, travel, or outdoor adventures. And lastly, for those who love multitasking tools, the Hammer Multi-Tool is a rugged and versatile gadget for any handyman or outdoor enthusiast. Combining a hammer with various built-in tools, it's compact yet powerful enough for everyday DIY tasks, camping, or survival situations. Whether fixing things around the house, setting up camp, or handling unexpected repairs, this multi-tool is a reliable and space-saving addition to any toolkit. That wraps up our roundup of some of the smartest gadgets on Amazon. If you saw anything you liked, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want more awesome gadget finds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.